Alright y'all, today we're going to be making a s'mores pie. Yes, you heard that right, a s'mores pie. Now we're going to use some of that marshmallow filling that we made last week. It's marshmallow fluff. We're going to go ahead and use that. We have made a pie crust, graham cracker crust. It's about 5 cups of graham crackers to 5-6 tablespoons of butter. You just kind of get the consistency you want and the thickness you want. And we also got a package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, preheat the oven to 325. We're going to go ahead and pre-bake this pie crust for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead, we'll add in our chocolate. We're going to melt the chocolate, bring it back out, add in our fluff, and I'll walk you through all that. So let's go ahead, we're going to put this in the oven. Come bring you back when we pre-baked for about 4 or 5 minutes our pie crust. Now we're going to take some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I can't give you a measurement because we're just going to put a coating on the bottom. And depending on the size of your pie plate and how thick you made your crust, that can always vary on how many chocolate chips one needs to coat the bottom of their pie plate. Alright, so now that we got that filled in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw this back in the oven, melt the chocolate chips. That'll take a couple minutes, and then we'll bring you back when that's done. Alright, so now we have melted our chocolate chips, but now we're going to go ahead and fill this up with some of that marshmallow fluff that we've made. And if you don't know what video I'm referring to, I will link it in the bio or description of this video. Alright, so we got a little late on starting filming. We filled it up, and we're just putting a little more chocolate in it. And the heat, because this is still fresh marshmallow fluff, it's still warm from us making it. It'll melt the chocolate, and the chocolate will melt somewhat into it while it sets up, and you're going to have chocolate mixed through it. So, just drizzle a little more. Be careful, because this will overflow if you put too much in. And there you have it, the s'mores pie. Till next time, keep on cooking on.